Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? To Samuel here. First of all, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across to my channel, and well, thanking you for listening to my video. Right? Today I'm in New York. I'm located right now. I decided to take a walk, because it's very hot and humid. So I decided to take a walk outside. Outside is not so bad right now. It's a little windy. I was walking on 6th Avenue and 46th Street, I think. I'm by there. I don't know if you know the Radio City Music Hall in New York, where the Rockettes come and they do their show, and I think it's in December. I personally never went there, but maybe I will go this year, Anyways, I'm in New York right now, one of the richest cities in the world, if not, one of the richest cities in the world. But it's also a place where you see a lot of social inequality, and what I mean by that is you see a lot of people that are extremely rich, and on the other side you see a lot of people who are extremely poor, who are just getting by, just surviving and trying to pay their rent, trying to see how they're going to pay the rent every month. That's what you see in the city, and I see that that might happen in every major city in the world, let's face it. But what I would like to talk about is why that happens, why social inequality, not why, but how I think, in my own opinion, we could fix social inequality. Let me go this way because there's a huge light behind me that, okay, I don't know, I hope you don't see it anymore. Okay, there we go. So how can we fix social inequality, according to my opinion, right? And I know that a lot of socialist people think, or socialist leaders might think that the best way to fight this is by getting money from the rich people and distribute it among the poor people, which personally I think is one of the worst ideas ever. I'm sorry to socialist people who are watching the video right now. I'm not trying to be controversial, but this is what I think. I think the best way to fight social inequality is by training people, coaching people, giving them tools, or equipping people with the right knowledge. So when I talk about knowledge, the school system comes into the frame of what I'm talking about, right? Because let's face it, the current educational system right now is failing us. It's failing us big time. They don't really teach you very practical knowledge, like they don't really teach you how to invest in the stock or in the stock market, or real estate. They don't really teach you how to make your taxes. They don't really teach you how to sell. All these skills that you're gonna need after you get out of school, and things that you will face in real life once you get into the job market. A lot of people getting out of school don't know these things. A lot of people getting out of college don't know these things. And these are people who are they are in a huge debt, most of them, right? We all know that. So that happens because the educational system we have right now is basically training us to become employees. It's training us to become consumers. Basically, they don't teach you what you should know and what you should apply in your personal life once you go out there and try to get a job or open a business. So that's the best way to fight social inequality, just right off the bat, I'm telling you, in my opinion. And that's something I learned, and I learned from other people, and I agree with that. That's why I'm sharing this information with you right now, and I'm talking to you about this from this, sitting on a nice spot here in one of the richest cities in the world, in New York. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you agree or disagree, let me know. You get some comments there. And if you like the video, well, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe also. That's gonna help me a lot. So one of the skills that we should also develop or learn is right now in this century. We have a new economy. It's a totally new economy than the economy we have, let's say, 10 years ago. Now we are seeing that more and more businesses are going online. See a lot of businesses, traditional businesses like Sears, Toys R Us are going out of business because they haven't adapted to the new economy. On the other hand, businesses like Amazon have adapted in a very original way to the new economy. If some of you know, Jeff Bezos started Amazon like 1994, and he started selling books, and nobody believed in him. Nobody believed he could be successful selling books online. A lot of people laugh at him. Now the guy is worth, billions. I think he's one of the richest, if not the richest person in the world right now, as of now. So a lot of traditional businesses also are moving online and moving on the internet. Because the internet, as you can see, has more reach. You can reach people from all over the world. You can sell people from all over the world. So that's, in my opinion, a very awesome skill that you have to develop. It's a must do. They should be teaching this in school right now, but I don't think they're doing it. Personally, I've been doing it. I've been training myself in order to develop this skill. There are many ways to do it, but you have to learn it. By the way, there is a link down below the video that you can go and take a look on in a book that I just bought a few weeks ago. I don't have it with me right now, but it's a book that teaches you one of the best ways to start to begin an online business. Right? It's an awesome book. You can go and get the information in the link below. It's a free book, by the way. You just have to pay for treatment. So anyways, going back to the subject. And not only that skill, you can learn many other skills that are still high paying skills, like real estate. Real estate is the industry that, if you don't know, it's the industry that has created more millionaires than any other. Real estate is awesome to learn. I haven't learned anything yet, but I'm planning to eventually come to understand this huge industry. So this is my opinion about social inequality. Maybe you've heard about this solution before in another video, or maybe you haven't, but I did happen to listen to this advice in another YouTube video like the one you're watching right now, myself talking, from a person that I really follow. And I said, okay, I agree with this guy. And you know what? I want to share it with my own audience too, and see what the response is about. So I hope you like my video. I hope you like my opinion. Let me know in the comments, right? If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in another episode with another interesting subject to talk about, okay? That's all for today. Take care, everybody. See you another time. Bye-bye.